Let me see you get in there. You're facing the wrong way. You gonna make that work? No, no, no. Go on, go back in. Get your car in. Go in your car. Benny, you better get in your car and drive away. Yeah, you better, Oliver, you better get in your car and drive away from him. There you go. And you're off. You gonna shut it all the way? Here, door. Door. All right, I'm push you away. Woo! Hey, Benny. What's up? Did you go for a ride? You gonna come out? Your foot stuck? Oh, well, you left the door open. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Is that where you wanted to go? Knock, knock. Good job. Knock, knock. Knock, 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 knock. Knock, knock, knock. So funny. Hello? Is anybody home? Are they under there? Uh-huh. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Can't do it anymore. We fixed it. Better just get in your car and drive away. Yeah, I thought so. You good? Got your door shut? Hey, dude. Hi. Ready? I think you're gonna... Good job. Hi. Should not drink and drive. Yeah, you should not. You tell me. What do you want?